In this video, we will show you how you can blur or replace your background on Google Hangouts Meet. So, let's check out ManyCam and explore the Virtual Backgrounds feature. When you open ManyCam, you can easily add your webcam by clicking on the main video source here and selecting it among the options given. Next, let's go to the Chroma Key tab to activate the Virtual Backgrounds feature. Flip the switch and it detects your background automatically. Once you click on Replace, it will remove your background. Then you can choose one of the images available. Keep in mind, you can also add your own images. Now, let's connect ManyCam to Google Hangouts Meet. Here is our demo meeting on Chrome. Before you join your meetings, all you have to do is click here on the three dots and go to Settings to find the Video tab. Then, simply select ManyCam as your video source. Just like that, ManyCam is connected to Hangouts Meet. Now you can use virtual backgrounds, blur, and many other live video tools during your meetings.